Welcome to Brunei, a hidden gem nestled on the island of Borneo. This small but mighty nation is a captivating blend of natural beauty, rich culture, and modern marvels. Step into a world where lush rainforests meet pristine beaches, where ancient traditions intertwine with contemporary life. Imagine cruising along the Brunei River, surrounded by mangrove forests teeming with proboscis monkeys. Picture yourself wandering through bustling markets, the air thick with the aroma of exotic spices. Envision yourself marveling at the grandeur of the Sultan Omar Ali Saifuddien Mosque, its golden dome shimmering under the tropical sun. Brunei is a sensory feast, ready to awaken your wanderlust. Known for their warm hospitality and gentle demeanor, Bruneians welcome visitors with open arms. Whether you seek adventure, cultural immersion, or simply a tranquil escape, Brunei has something to offer every traveler. Let Brunei be your gateway to an unforgettable Southeast Asian adventure. Venture beyond Brunei's cities to discover a world of natural wonders. Immerse yourself in the heart of Borneo's rainforest, a biodiversity hotspot teeming with life. Hike through dense jungles, home to exotic wildlife and vibrant flora. Listen to the calls of gibbons echoing through the canopy, spot colorful hornbills soaring overhead. Embark on a river safari along the Temburong River, a tributary of the mighty Brunei River. Observe proboscis monkeys swinging through the trees, their distinctive noses a comical sight. Escape to the pristine beaches of Brunei's coastline where turquoise waters lap against golden sands. Relax on the shores of Muara Beach, feeling the gentle sea breeze caress your skin. Explore the vibrant coral reefs teeming with colorful fish and marine life. Let the tranquility of nature rejuvenate your soul and inspire a sense of wonder. Immerse yourself in the rich cultural tapestry of Brunei, where ancient traditions blend seamlessly with modern life. Experience the warmth of Bruneian hospitality firsthand, as smiles greet you at every turn. Engage with locals, learn a few Malay phrases, and embrace the opportunity to connect with a different way of life. Witness the grandeur of Bruneian culture at the Sultan Omar Ali Saifuddien Mosque, an architectural masterpiece. Admire its golden dome, intricate mosaics, and towering minarets. Delve into Brunei's history at the Royal Regalia Museum, home to a fascinating collection of royal artifacts. Marvel at the opulent coronation chariot, glittering with gold and jewels. Learn about the history of the Bruneian monarchy and the country's journey to independence. Visit the Brunei Arts and Handicrafts Training Center to witness artisans practicing traditional crafts. Consider purchasing a unique souvenir, supporting local artisans and taking home a piece of Bruneian culture. Discover the charm of Bandar Seri Begawan, Brunei's capital city, where modern architecture blends seamlessly with traditional wooden houses on stilts, known as kampong ayer. Explore the city's highlights, from its glittering mosques to its bustling markets. Begin your exploration at the heart of the city, the Omar Ali Saifuddien Mosque. Wander along the waterfront where traditional boats bob gently on the Brunei River. Take a water taxi across to Kampong Ayer, a fascinating village built entirely on stilts. Immerse yourself in local life at the Gadong night market, a bustling hub of activity. Sample a variety of local delicacies from savory grilled meats to sweet and sticky desserts. Engage with vendors, practice your bargaining skills, and savor the lively atmosphere. Escape the city bustle with a visit to the Jerudong Park Playground, an amusement park offering thrills for all ages. Beyond the beaten path, unearthing Brunei's hidden treasures. Venture beyond the well-trodden tourist trails to unearth Brunei's hidden treasures, where authentic experiences and untouched beauty await. Discover secluded beaches, explore pristine rainforests, and immerse yourself in the warmth of local communities. Escape to the tranquility of Tutong Beach, a secluded stretch of coastline far from the crowds. Take a refreshing dip in the crystal-clear waters or simply soak up the serenity of this hidden paradise. Embark on a trek through the Ulu Temburong National Park, a pristine rainforest reserve accessible only by boat. Hike through dense jungle, marvel at towering trees, and listen to the symphony of sounds from exotic birds and insects. Spend a night in a rainforest lodge, immersing yourself in the tranquility of nature. Discover the cultural heart of Brunei with a visit to a traditional longhouse. Engage with local families, learn about their customs and traditions, and experience the genuine warmth of Bruneian hospitality. A culinary journey, savoring the flavors of Brunei. Embark on a culinary journey through Brunei where Malay, Chinese, and Indian influences converge to create a symphony of flavors. From aromatic curries to fresh seafood dishes, Bruneian cuisine is a feast for the senses. Sample ambuyat, Brunei's national dish, a sticky tapioca starch served with a variety of dipping sauces. Try it the traditional way, using chopsticks to twirl the ambuyat and dip it into savory sauces made with fish, shrimp, or meat. Indulge in the fresh seafood that Brunei is renowned for. Head to a local restaurant or street stall and savor grilled fish, prawns, or squid, seasoned to perfection with local spices. Experience the multicultural influences of Brunei's cuisine by exploring the diverse culinary scene. Indulge in flavorful Chinese stir-fried dishes, savor the aromatic spices of Indian curries, or try Malay classics like nasi lemak. Finding serenity, tranquil escapes in Brunei. Escape the hustle and bustle of everyday life with a visit to one of Brunei's tranquil escapes. From serene mosques to peaceful gardens, Brunei offers a sanctuary for relaxation and reflection. Seek solace in the tranquility of the Jame Hassanil Bolkiah Mosque, a stunning architectural marvel. Step inside to discover a serene oasis of prayer and reflection. Find tranquility amidst nature at the Tasek Lama Recreational Park, a lush green oasis in the heart of bandar seri begawan. Stroll along the walking trails, breathe in the fresh air, and listen to the soothing sounds of nature. The park is home to a variety of flora and fauna, offering a peaceful escape from the city. Escape to the serenity of the Empire Hotel and Country Club, a luxurious resort located on the shores of the South China Sea. Indulge in spa treatments, relax by the pool, or tee off at the championship golf course. Responsible travel. Preserving Brunei's beauty. As you explore Brunei's hidden gems, embrace the principles of responsible travel to preserve the country's natural beauty and cultural heritage. Respect local customs, minimize your environmental impact, and support local communities. Respect Bruneian customs and traditions, which are rooted in Islamic values. Dress modestly, especially when visiting religious sites. Ask for permission before taking photographs of people, and be mindful of local sensitivities. Embrace the opportunity to learn about Bruneian culture and engage with locals respectfully. Minimize your environmental impact by choosing eco-friendly travel options whenever possible. Reduce your waste by carrying a reusable water bottle and refusing single-use plastics. Support local communities by choosing locally owned accommodations, dining at local restaurants, and purchasing souvenirs directly from artisans. Planning your Brunei adventure. Tips for an unforgettable journey. Planning your Brunei adventure is an exciting endeavor. From visa requirements to transportation options, here are some essential tips to ensure a smooth and unforgettable journey. Check visa requirements before you travel, as citizens of some countries may need a visa to enter Brunei. You can apply for a visa online or through your nearest Bruneian embassy or consulate. Brunei International Airport, BWN, is the main gateway to the country. From there, you can easily get around by taxi, bus, or rental car. Taxis are readily available in major cities, while buses offer an affordable way to travel between towns. The best time to visit Brunei is during the dry season, which typically runs from March to September. During this time, you can expect sunny skies and low humidity, ideal for exploring outdoor attractions. Brunei awaits. Your Southeast Asian escape. Brunei awaits, ready to captivate your senses and leave an imprint on your soul. From the moment you step foot on its shores, you'll be greeted with warm hospitality, breathtaking landscapes, and a cultural tapestry that will weave its magic around you. Embrace the allure of Brunei and embark on a journey of discovery. Imagine yourself strolling through the bustling streets of Bandar Seri Begawan, where the scent of spices fills the air. Picture yourself cruising along the Brunei River, surrounded by the lush greenery of the rainforest. Brunei is a destination that will stay with you long after you've left its shores. Call to action. Embark on your Bruneian adventure. Don't just dream about your Brunei adventure, make it a reality. Start planning your trip today and discover the hidden gems of this captivating country. Let Brunei's allure entice you, its beauty inspire you, and its culture embrace you. Your Southeast Asian escape awaits. Contact your travel agent or start browsing online to find the perfect itinerary for your Brunei adventure. Whether you're seeking a short getaway or an extended exploration, there are options to suit every traveler. Pack your bags, grab your passport, and get ready to embark on an unforgettable journey to Brunei. Discover the hidden treasures of this captivating country, immerse yourself in its rich culture and create memories that will last a lifetime.